Good day, IM2 student. Today we will work on multiplying radical expression, day 1. Right, multiplying radical expression to simplify. So let's go over some review first. Okay, so for example, we have radical A times radical B, which means that for the product we can do A times B. So for example, we have a radical 2 times a radical 3. This gives us a radical 2 times a radical 3. Which give us 6. Or let's say for example we have radical 5 times radical 5. This gives us radical 5 times 5, so this is 5 squared. But from our previous lesson we see that the radical and square they cancel out. So then this will give us just 5. Okay? So we need this for our next lesson. Right. Okay, so for number 1 we have 3 radical 12 times radical 6. Well, we see that radical 12 is same as radical 2 times radical 6 and times another radical 6. So this gives us 3 times radical 2 times a radical 6 squared. But radical does cancel out, so this is 3 times 6 times radical 2. So then the answer is 18 radical 2. Okay, next examples. So here, well, we can break this up. So radical 20 times radical x squared times radical 20 times radical x. Right, so then on these two, this gives us radical 20 squared times radical x squared times radical x. And radical and square they cancel out, so it gives us 20. This cancel out gives us an x, and this leaves us with just a radical x. Next example, so we have radical 15n squared times radical n 10n cubed. So this is, well, 15 is 3 times 5 times n squared, and this is 2 times 5, and radical, n cubed can be written as square root of n squared times square root of n. And now we can combine like terms. So these two will give me radical 5 squared, or radical n squared, and radical n squared. So I'm going to keep them separate. And now I have left as radical 3, radical 2, and radical n. Right, so this cancel out would give me 5. This give me an n. This give me another n. And there's nothing for me to reduce here, so I'm going to combine them. So 3 times 2 is 6, n is just n. And over here we have n times n, so it would be 5n squared radical 6n. Okay. Our next example, this. So now we have to use distributive, so we're going to bring the radical in. So this is 5 radical 3. Plus radical 3 times radical 3 is 3 squared. So that's, they reduce it out. So it gives us 5 radical 3 plus 3. Then we prefer to write the constant term before the radical. So this is 3 plus 5 radical 3. Okay, and our last example. So similar to the previous one, we need to distribute this in. So negative 3 times positive 2 gives us a negative 6, radical 3, and a negative times positive is a negative, so negative 3, radical 3 times radical 6. So negative 6, 3 minus 3, radical 3, but radical 6 is the same as radical 3, radical 2. So negative 6, radical 3, minus 3, radical 3 squared, radical 2, so that's cancel. So then this is 6 radical 3 minus 3 times 3 radical 2. Continue working, so 6 radical 3, that gives us a negative 6 radical 2. And we cannot combine these two because the radical 3 and radical 2 are not the same, so we'll leave it as our answers. Right, so that's the end of our day 1 lesson.